Hello, this is Flights in Asia, and in this video, we'll be going to Indonesia, where the first flight using a regional jet developed and produced in China was recently completed. On April 18, Indonesia-based Transnusa completed the first flight using its COMAC ARJ-21 on an inaugural flight between Jakarta, the Indonesian capital, and Denpasar, the gateway to Bali. This is the first flight of the ARJ-21 and any other China-built aircraft outside of mainland China. This first flight follows the obtaining of the regulatory approvals by Indonesian aviation authorities by Transnusa for the 95-seat regional aircraft. This is a major milestone for Transnusa, the first airline outside of China to order and receive the ARJ-21 or any other China-built aircraft. With an order for 30 of the aircraft, so far one of the aircraft has been delivered and with the registration of RKTJA, which was used on the first flight. The acquisition of Transnusa of the ARJ-21 and its orders for 30 aircraft has been made possible by its China-based major stakeholders, China Aircraft Leasing Corporation and China Everbright Limited. According to the airline and the China Aircraft Leasing Corporation, the aircraft is ideal for Transnusa and the country of Indonesia, as the ARJ offers a short to medium range regional jet with a range of 2,225 to 3,700 kilometers. In addition, the high temperature performance and crosswind resistance has been stated to be ideal for the operations in Indonesia. In addition to the technical benefits that have been touted by China Aircraft Leasing Corporation and Transnusa, from the perspective of the airline, the aircraft will also be used to help aid in boosting tourism in the country. In a statement, Transnusa CEO Bernard Francis said, quote, "We're introducing the ARJ-21-700 aircraft, which is the right fit for the Southeast Asian market, and adapting it to market demand with the optimistic configuration. We believe that ARJ-21 aircraft can well match the rapidly developing aviation market in Indonesia and Southeast Asia and provide passengers with high-quality air travel options." Now in operation outside of China, it is a significant milestone for COMAC and the ARJ-21 program, which as of date, over 100 aircraft have been delivered since the first delivery in 2016. So far, the operating fleet of ARJ-21s have amassed over 200 hours of flight operations. The lone aircraft in Indonesia is actually in a major market in Southeast Asia, which the airline and its major stakeholders have emphasized. Regarding this, the Deputy CEO of China Aircraft Leasing Corporation and the Commissioner of Transnusa, Winnie Lu, said, quote, "China Aircraft Leasing Corporation joins with Transnusa to congratulate the ARJ-21's official commercial operation in Indonesia operated by Transnusa today. We are full of confidence in the performance of the ARJ-21 aircraft, in the operation and support services systems set by COMAC in Indonesia, and in the prospect of the integration of the aviation industry and finance development of the industry chain in China." To many observers, this is a good position for COMAC, the ARJ-21, as Indonesia is the largest and fastest growing market in Southeast Asia, and this country could be the first step for broader operations in other countries, not just for the ARJ-21 but also for the other China-made aircraft, the COMAC C919, which is considered a competitor to the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320. So after years of domestically operating its homegrown aircraft in the mainland China, Indonesia will likely be a major proving ground for China's fledgling aircraft manufacturing endeavors. I definitely hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Flights in Asia, highlighting news and updates from the aviation and travel scene in the Asia Pacific. For more of the latest updates, you can check out the website at www.flightsinasia.com. In the meantime, thank you for watching and have a great day.